for everybody guy, or like a T for teen?
Why? I told you to stop, you son of a...
And live from Studio C, it's Fridays Live!
And with those words, episode 2, season 49 of Fridays Live was officially underway.
Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Fridays Live. I'm Ethan Hess and I will be your host tonight.
Throughout each semester, a variety of Ohio University actors, writers, tech, and directors produce OU's very own late-night comedy show, Fridays Live. For the fall of 2022, this student media group will produce 6 shows, all of which will be live streamed on Fridays Live YouTube channel on, as implied, Friday nights.
Acting. Please stay tuned for some more amazing performances and a very special musical guest, me.
The Fridays Live crew works closely as a team, with many roles needing to be fulfilled by the multiple students who are a part of the club. The club's members commonly climb the ladder quickly, just like Grace Palminteri did.
So I came to one shoot for about 10 minutes, and they were like, welcome. So next semester, they were looking for exec members. And I was like, I was at one shoot for 10 minutes, so why not sign up? So I was the DS director last year. And that's basically shooting all the pre-recorded content and then editing it so it's ready for the live show.
Grace Palminteri continues to climb the ladder at Fridays Live, now serving as a co-producer. But it's not just Palminteri who worked her way up into an executive role quickly, as Lydia Smith also serves as a co-producer for season 49.
This is only my second semester with Fridays. First semester of my freshman year, I went to one show and it was the Christmas show. And it was my first time there ever, so I showed up for the last show of the season. And it was fun. I held cue cards, which we now don't do anymore because we actually have teleprompters. But I did that for a show, so I came back next season, kind of worked my way up to floor director, and then now I am a co-producer.
Preparation for each show starts well before Friday night, and it certainly takes everyone on the team to bring the show to life.
So Wednesday night is when we vote on the sketches we're doing. And from then, it's just like hell week, basically, if you're a theater person. We cast them Wednesday night. We create a list of props, all of our art department needs. So basically, the execs stay behind an hour after we vote on the scripts to organize all of that.
The planning that occurs at the Wednesday meeting lays the groundwork for the next day, allowing the cast to come in on Thursday having already seen the scripts that were sent out the previous night.
So we have crew come in first and set up these flats, which are just temporary set pieces that we can move in and out really easily. And then cast shows up to block and then rehearse it out. And then we connect everything to our control room so the director can see the different screens and how it'll look during the live show.
Fridays Live is not entirely live during each episode. Mixed into each show are pre-recorded sketches, also known as digital shorts.
All right, what's up, everybody? It's Alex Awesome, and I'm back here with another way that anyone, yes, anyone, can become filthy rich just like me in a few easy steps.
I'm a co-DS director. I direct digital shorts, the pre-recorded sketches we do each week. I do that with the other co-DS director, Ryan, and we basically just pick a night out of the week, sit down and shoot a sketch in somebody's house in like 2 hours. And so it's just like a real small ragtag crew, a really small cast, and it's usually pretty fun.
Sam and his fellow co-DS director Ryan are tasked with not only planning out digital shorts, but also figuring out what jokes and characters work best for the content that will air in each episode.
Marianne, it's why I do what I do.
We brought back a fan favorite character known as Valerie. She's a sock puppet who also happens to be my wife. It's kind of an ongoing bit where she slept with Ryan, so now I'm getting back at her by sleeping with Ryan. And in this sketch, she also has a musical number.
Who are you? What are you doing in my home? Sam!
It's not what you think.
Oh, it's exactly what you think.
After finalizing the digital shorts and rehearsing the show on Thursday, and before the cast and crew arrive at Studio C in the radio television building, the Fridays Live executives begin working early Friday afternoon.
So basically exec, or at least the, main exec members with a lot of responsibilities have are on call all day, waiting for people to text them, like if they have an emergency. Hopefully we have all the same crew members going in from Thursday to Friday, but sometimes something comes up and we need to find a quick replacement for a camera operator or a sound person.
Most of the Fridays Live members arrive later in the afternoon, as call time for the crew is at 4 p.m. and call time for the cast is at 5 p.m.
This year we're lucky to have everything set up from Thursday night, which is good because it takes a lot less time for crew to get organized. However, we're going to still have to do a tech run-through and a dress rehearsal. So the tech run-through is just kind of walking through everything that was blocked the day before, and then we usually have a dinner break where everyone runs out and gets food, and then we all need to be back by 7 to do the dress rehearsal, and that's when we actually wear the costumes and the makeup that we haphazardly put together the night before. So it's a lot to think about, and usually those 2 run-throughs are not perfect at all, but the cast and the crew are learning as we go, and they kind of recognize, oh, here's like a gap in the comedy, here's a place where I could add a little something in to make the joke flow better, or here's a place where I could do a clever camera maneuver to make the joke funnier.
As the clock ticks on, work on performing the show continues all the way up until the very last minute. Excitement, along with nerves, rise with every minute that passes, creating a thrilling environment for all members of the show.
So then the show goes live usually at exactly 8, or if not, like 8:02 p.m. on a normal day. Occasionally we'll have an after dark show that starts at like 11 p.m., but that's only one per season. That's gonna be on October 21st. The show starts at 8, and then we just do one run through. Grace and I sit in another room and watch the show go down. We take notes on everything. The director is coordinating from the booth with the technical director. They're telling the cameraman what to do and telling the sound people what sound to play. And the actors are kind of on their own, if not for the floor director who's commanding them. And we just go straight through with the live sketches and with the digital shorts, and usually it comes out to be, if we're doing a normal show, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour.
It's because of all the hard work that each member of Fridays Live puts into the show that a successful and entertaining episode is produced time and time again.
Thanks, have a good one.
For The Post, I'm Cole Patterson.